30 bird feeders, 1 day, 0 experience.
My wife just dropped this big, huge surprise project on me, and I can't let her down. And there's an entire school of kids counting on me too. Can I pull this off? Let's find out. So here's the deal. My wife has connections with the local elementary school. Other countries call this a primary school. She came home last night, gave me a project. She brought all these kits for bird feeders. It's a huge request. It seems that they have a team building project on Friday, and they need these kits assembled before that, 30 of them, by tomorrow morning. I have less than 24 hours to get these kits assembled, prepared, and ready for the kids to paint them. It'll be a super cool team building project for the kids, teaching them how to work together. It'll help them build their creativity. They'll portion out the workload with different kids working on different parts at different times. That'll teach them about time management. They'll practice eye-hand coordination and they'll learn new skills. This will be fantastic for those kids. And my wife will score some bonus points with her connections. But here's the catch. I've never assembled one of these kits before. For this to work, they're gonna have to be done right. They're gonna have to be done fast. And did I mention there's 6 different styles? No pressure, right? Okay, let's get started.
This wasn't in my plan for today. Full disclosure, my plan for today was to just chill. Today was supposed to be my day off, where I could sit back and catch up on some rest. But now I'm racing against the clock. I have 24 hours because if these bird feeders aren't fully assembled and at the school by tomorrow morning, these kids won't be able to do their project.
I'm not about to let my wife down, or those kids.
Each feeder has several of these panels. Each panel needs to be in just the right place, and they need to be assembled in the right order. So I'll just quickly read over the instructions.
Okay, so there are no instructions.
No worries. I'm not gonna let that stop me.
That looks about right.
Oh wait, these will need something to use for hanging them. They have holes in the roof panels, but I need to cut some short pieces of string so I can tie them into place before I glue them together. Now I'm ready for the glue. Some of these have tight-fitting joints that might hold without glue. Others are fairly loose. Either way, I don't want to take a chance that one of these will fall apart while the kids are painting them.
It would help if the bottle of glue wasn't empty. Let's try that again. This one's empty too. I should lay out some cardboard.
These pieces don't fit completely snug against each other. That makes for a fairly weak joint. And it also makes the gluing process trickier. If I use too much, it'll drip all over the place. If I don't use enough, the glue won't hold together. That's 1 down, 29 more to go.
It's already been about an hour.
Well, they do say the first one is always the hardest. The rest should go faster. I hope. I'm getting into a rhythm. Insert, glue, squeeze it together, and repeat.
And did I mention there are 6 different styles?
That's okay though, I've got this. Cool, the second style is done. Time for style number 3.
Honestly, at this point, I'm just relaxed and having fun.
There's just something satisfying about seeing all these kits come together. But I'm already halfway through the day, and I still have a long way to go. Plus, the glue is making my fingers sticky. That's it for the 4th style. Next up, style number 5. It's not hard work, but it is tiring, and my back is really starting to hurt from leaning over this table all day long.
Although that probably has more to do with me moving an entire truckload of mulch.
I keep thinking about how much personal growth these kids are going to have during their team building project. But it's getting late, my wife is going to be home any minute now. I have to get this last style finished before she gets here. That's 5 more bird feeders left. I can do this.
"30 little bird feeders, fully assembled and ready for paint. Job accomplished."
More importantly, 30 opportunities for the kids at this school to achieve personal growth. Team building, creativity, social interaction, boundaries, eye-hand coordination, time management, and a lot more. I'm so proud to be a part of helping these kids grow, even if it was a surprise job that took over my day off.
Just in time, too. I hear my wife pulling into the garage now.
Thank you for growing with me today. Until next time, I'm going to keep on growing. And you should too.